Hi, this is Bob Maxwell with R.A. Maxwell and Associates, and today I want to talk to you about our Jeros 8150 line of utensil washers. These washing machines are great to use in any plant, any small processing place. You can wash anything that will fit within the cabinet. You can wash with these units. So what I want to show you is a little bit about the features of the unit. First of all, you have two emergency stops, so if you are in this area and you need to stop, you can hit the button here. If you're working on that side, you can hit the button there. We also have our control panel here. Okay, so you get your power switch, you have your drain, you have your pressure, so you can set different pressures on the products that are in there. You also have 3 different timers that you can set, so a short time, a medium time, and a long time can be preset. You also have your washing temperature here and your rinsing temperature here. Now, you have a dosing system that will draw the soap up into the unit, and when that dosing system is working, there's an indicator light here showing that. Okay, this is your control to open and close your door. So this will place anywhere. It's on a bracket. It'll sit on the side, sit on the front, whatever you're at is where you want to go ahead and place this. Simply push the button, door opens, push the button here, and the door closes. So inside the Jeros 8150, it comes with a couple of different accessories. So we have this type of accessory that you'd be able to put your pans in, possibly the bottom wheels of the trash cans would be able to set in here. But what we want to show you is the different style of spraying that is not typical with most utensil washers like this. Most utensil washers have the single wand that goes around the top, and then they have one that goes around the bottom, just like your dishwasher would have. Okay, what's great about the Jeros units is it has this square unit with individual sprayers, which you can see up here, and the product sits in, and so it's just like a car wash. So if you drive into a car wash and you're sitting there and the apparatus moves back and forth as it's washing and rinsing your car, this does exactly the same thing. So it's a full 360 all the way around with the nozzles. Each of the nozzles run 26 psi, so you get tremendous amount of pressure. And then this unit just moves forward and backwards on a track. Okay. The cycle time is usually anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how dirty the product is. What a lot of customers are doing is buying these to wash totes, the standard plastic totes. Those take about 2 to 3 minutes to wash in this unit. The other great thing about the Jeros unit is the temperature of the rinse water. So the unit will not even go into its rinse cycle until the water reaches 185 degrees. So anything over 165 is sanitary, and so you don't have to worry about taking the product out or putting sanitizer in because of the heat. It's already sanitized. Okay, there is no way that you can physically hand wash these same items and try to get anywhere close to that temperature. It would burn your employees. So very, very, very important. Okay. Also, the other thing about this unit, for example, the 8150, is it only uses about 3 to 4 gallons of water to wash up to 4 totes. Okay. You can also wash 2 55-gallon drums in here. You can wash 3 of the 20-gallon drums. Anything that will fit inside of this unit here can be washed, okay, because of the 360 washing. You also have a couple other accessories that come with the unit. You have a small basket that you can put little parts and things in, and then a screen to cover that so that they don't bounce up. The next thing we're going to talk about is the back of the unit. We're going to show you the back, show you where the vents are, because of the heat. This does have to be vented. Okay, so now we're at the back of the unit. One of the things that we want to show you is, first we have vents. So we have a vent here and we have a vent here. Remember that the temperature of the water in the rinse cycle is 185 degrees. So that's going to be vented, that needs to be vented out of the room. So you can either have a vent in your roof itself, or you can run individual vents if you want off of these two areas. The next thing that we have is our direct drive motor. What this unit does is it automatically lifts the door up and down so that you can load and unload the unit. Then we have here is our water line and our dosing system. So it's very simple to connect, just a very basic connection. Connects here to any hot water line that you would have. Down here is where we have our drain. Again, you can either drain into the sewer line itself, or you can just drain like this right onto your floor drain. The other item that we want to show you is for the dosing system. So they come in 5-gallon barrels, and so you have one for your detergent, and then one if you do want to use a sanitizer, you have one for that. So take a look at our website, go to ramaxwell.com, look at all of our washing machines. We have tunnel washers, we have boot washers, hand sanitizers. We have a full line of hygiene and sanitation equipment that we'd love to talk to you about. Thank you very much and have a great day.